In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use a CRM in Monday.com. To get started, open Monday.com and either access an existing CRM workspace or create a new CRM board from scratch. The goal here is to create one organized place where you can manage leads, clients, and active deals without relying on scattered notes or separate spreadsheets. A clean board structure makes it much easier to see what's happening in your sales process at a glance. Once your board is ready, begin by adding the essential columns you'll need to track each opportunity properly. Include columns for the lead name, the company, contact details, the current stage of the deal, the owner responsible for it, the deal value, and the follow-up date. These fields give you the core information needed to stay organized and make sure nothing important gets missed. As you set this up, try to keep the column names simple and consistent so the board stays easy to scan and update. Next, start adding each lead or client as an individual item on the board. Each item should represent one company, person, or opportunity you want to track. As you enter the information, make sure the details are complete enough to be useful later, especially the stage, owner, and follow-up date. Good data entry at the beginning saves time and confusion later on. From there, use the board to move deals through your sales stages as progress happens. For example, a lead may begin as a new inquiry, then move into contact made, proposal sent, negotiation, and finally closed. Updating stage regularly helps your pipeline stay accurate, and it also gives everyone involved a clear picture of where each deal stands. To make sure opportunities don't go cold, add reminders for follow-ups. This is especially important for keeping momentum with prospects and maintaining consistency in your outreach. A follow-up date acts like a built-in prompt, helping you stay proactive instead of reactive. You can take that one step further by using automations to notify the deal owner about upcoming next steps. Automations are helpful because they reduce manual checking and make the process more reliable. Instead of constantly reviewing the board, owners can get notified when action is needed, which helps keep deals moving. Finally, build dashboards to track your pipeline and overall sales performance. Dashboards let you visualize deal progress, workload, and revenue potential in one place. This gives you a better understanding of what's working, where deals are slowing down, and how your team is performing over time. Once everything is in place, your Monday.com CRM becomes a simple, effective system for managing relationships and driving sales more efficiently.